What's up, YouTube? We back at again with another video. As y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be taking that hood off, man. We're gonna be riding Big Juan. You gonna hear that leg make it work today, bitch. But right now I'm on the way to the crib. I'm about to go take this hood off because it's currently on right now. And if y'all don't know how to take off a hood, I'm gonna give y'all. We're gonna do a little speed little clip of how to take the hood off. So right now I'm gonna take this hood off, hop in traffic, cut up for a little bit, and y'all gonna hear this bit whine, you feel me? I need y'all boys to make sure y'all like the video, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, and today we're gonna have a lit ass vlog. Stay tuned.
As you can see, taking that hood off right now. Fucking crazy.
So y'all wanna take off one screw and then on one side and then go to the other side and take off the other one. Ready?
You got it? Hellcat with no hood, baby. Nah. That boy sounds like he got of course a sheriff passed by, right? Of course a sheriff passed by, right?
Bro, no way.
Yo.
Bro.
You never done that?
Well, that shit sound, nah, I done it, but like, I swear, I forgot the sound of it though.
Of course, sheriff pulls out in front of us. Yeah, that cat talk.
Listen to it though, listen to it, listen.
Listen to this.
Bro, that bitch screaming.
Man, who needs music, bro?
Hold on,
Who needs music?
Hold on.
Word two, who needs music? Word, oh yeah.
Nah, stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. That bitch. Yo! Yo!
But I have your girl panties wet as hell, nigga.
Yo!
Yo.
Now that hood gotta start coming off more often.
Yeah, word two.
Cause bro, it's screaming.
Word two, bro. Word two, bro.
Screaming.
Hey.
Screaming, bitch.
Hey, put that bit, bro. Put that hole in neutral, nigga. Put that hole in neutral. Talk to them. Talk to them. What you say? Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, that nigga right there.
He wanna get behind me so bad.
Yeah.
I'm feeling good today though.
Yeah, word.
Oh my god. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. No, it's crazy.
I've never like, I don't know. I'm not around it too much.
Let me over. Put it up. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. A leg maker, like without the hood, bro. It's just like, I hope the camera can hear it how we hear it, bro.
Oh God.
Cause I swear,
the camera never does justice though. We're too.
Like, bro, that shit. Like without the.
Hey man, I'm telling you, man, this go crazy. This go crazy. Word too.
You hear it?
Woo!
Yeah. Police right there, man. This is actual traffic. Oh my God. Look at my uncle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This boy go hard for real. You gonna be doing this often? Yeah.
But in Florida, bro, the weather's so bipolar.
It is. So when you do this, you gotta look at the weather, no cap. You gotta look at the weather.
The weather's so bipolar, bitch. Why we at 20 miles? Oh, the school is on. Never speed in the school zone.
Facts.
Unless you want to pay who knows how much them tickets is? 500 plus?
Man, not even the tickets.
Some crazy
The
shit.
points. They wanna take your license.
Bro.
You ever be in an argument? Blah, blah, I can't hear you. What? Wait. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I go stupid. This nigga crazy with the sheriff. With the sheriff? Man, roll that boy up. Yeah, this is Southside for y'all. In New York, they don't play in New York. They just pull you over for tents. Let alone this. 20 with a nigga.
No.
Pull in here. Whoa! No! Nah, this nigga pulling over, nigga. Put that seatbelt on, no cap. Oh, nah, they got us. They got us. He gonna be like,
We got pulled over.
he gonna be like, yeah, y'all making too much noise. You know that, right?
Every single time, bro. What am I doing, bro? Fuck.
Tell him we just doing a documentary. I'm a journalist.
He's gonna be like, turn off the car. Watch. He's gonna be like, turn off the car. Every single time, bro.
Yeah, bro. Hey.
I'm gonna just turn off the car for his sake. Hey, turn off Hellcats when you get pulled over by the police, cause they scared.
Word.
Go ahead, turn that bit off. Hello. What's up with it, man?
I said, the reason why I stopped you is you can't be riding around with no hood on your car.
For real?
Okay, that's illegal.
Oh, so I was actually on my way back to the mechanic because my car was getting worked on.
Okay.
So my hood was getting wrapped at the moment, and I just didn't think it was a big deal.
Okay,
So
yeah, that's illegal. You can't be riding around with no hood on your
yeah, I'm on the way to go get it right now.
Okay. Let me get your driver's license real quick. Registration and insurance.
Can you open that?
Yeah.
Please, sir.
It's right there, that white paper. Can you grab my backpack?
And I can barely see your tag. What's going on with that plate?
You can't
With
see
that
it?
plate cover. Come here, I'll show you. What's up with that? I can barely see that. Oh, so that's crazy. You can read that. I can't see that from myself.
My license is right here. Or I think it's in here. Damn. Registration?
Yes, sir.
Right here.
Insurance card and driver's license, please, sir.
My insurance is on my phone.
On your phone? Give me 1 second. Step off, man.
Alright. Let me see the camera, See, we just vibing, man. Police just always. Look, bro. Never fails. Never fails, bro. Traffic.
Hey, yo, get a thumbnail. Oh, let me switch it to picture mode so you can get a thumbnail.
Now you gotta get out.
Wow.
Dang, bro. He said he pulling me over because I didn't have a hood. And this nigga wrong with no hood.
It's getting rap right now, you know what I'm saying? Alright, bet.
This for your record, if you want to look it up, Google it. It's improper equipment on a vehicle. Okay? So if you want to look it up, you guys are filming and all that stuff. So if you want,
I was just doing a YouTube video.
okay, improper equipment it's called. Okay, bud? All right. Have a good day.
You too. All that for that.
Hey.
I swear, bro, I'm about to have the littest vlogs on YouTube, bro. Mark my words. Mark my words on that, bro. Cause I swear to you, when it comes to these police, bro, they don't stop messing with me. And like, he had the most invalid reasoning of pulling me over. Oh, you got no hood. Duh, bitch. All I know is, bro, like, he really was mad because that bitch was right next to him doing pop, pop, pop. Hit him with that. Hold on. That's why he was mad.
He said, damn.
I don't care though. I'm just young, having fun. I didn't even speed either, bitch.
We're going less than the speed limit.
Bro, I wasn't even going fast. He just pulled me over because he wanted to be paid. It's cool though. We still hanging out, bitch. That shit sound crazy.
That wine go crazy.
If you ever thinking about getting a leg maker, that's what makes your car whine louder. Cause that's what's making mine whine louder. No cap. But that whine sounds something crazy.
Talking to them. Yo, we gotta say that. We look at each other, we like, yeah.
See that bitch screaming?
You know what's crazy? At night it's gonna be louder because of the cold air.
Well, we gonna find out. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Nighttime, bro. Nighttime bro. Nighttime is when Hillsborough County is outside, bro.
I got you with a radar. You would know everywhere. You would know every spot they at.
For real?
Nigga, that's the point of a radar. I got an expensive ass radar. Nigga, I drive 5, 6 on that bitch.
Yeah.
And keep in mind, I was in New York. There's barely cops over here compared to New York, bro.
Imagine spending $500 on a radar. Police scare you that
It's
much?
New York, bro. I can show you videos.
No, I ain't gonna lie. I be seeing on Instagram, New York do be messing with people though. So I believe you on that.
Nigga, New York.
That's just some unnecessary Hellcat.
I don't know why there's so much hate for cats, for real. Niggas be mad.
That's just some unnecessary Hellcat driver shit.
If y'all haven't or get a cat or ever in a cat, y'all will understand, for real. But other than that, y'all need to stop chatting. It's too much hate for the cats. Y'all all get cars just to beat cats, bro. Y'all build them all that. Like, this cat can do everything.
That's facts. Start swimming?
Yeah. Is that TRX? sound like Tree when he said that.
Hold on. Free my nigga Tree, man. Free
Nah,
my
fact.
nigga Tree, man. That bitch get a little annoying though, man. That bitch. I'd rather hear this scream though than a female though, man.
Nah, word too. I want to hear all that whine. I want to hear this whine right here.
If you want to be a female in my life, bro, you gotta be peaceful, bro. This shit ain't peaceful. I mean, no, this shit peaceful, but this is a peaceful scream, bro.
Word.
Shit y'all be doing.
Looks like we not trying to hear all that.
I don't want to hear all that, man.
Let's listen to this together. You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna end this video off right here, man.
Word.
I ain't gonna lie, this was a lit ass video.
Low key.
You feel me?
Okay.
I ain't worried about them.
Word.
But if y'all like the video, make sure y'all hit that like button.
Tell him.
If y'all like the video, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button.
With that bell on, put that bell so you stay tuned.
If y'all like the video, make sure you go support me on all social media, Maury Blends. And go support my cameraman.
You know what I'm saying?
Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Appreciate y'all boys for watching. We out.
Peace.